Guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, if you've been looking for websites to earn money online, then you're in luck. So let's start it off with the first one, which is Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see in the webpage, this is arguably the best site to make money online for free. It provides you with all the training and resources to easily create and automate a profitable online business. All you have to do is head over to wealthyaffiliate.com, and as you can see, as it states on the webpage, Wealthy Affiliate is your all-inclusive platform for building a successful online business related to your passions, interests, or hobbies. Join 2.6 million members and get started today. So all you have to do is create your free account. This is zero risk and no credit card is required. It has a rating of 4.9 with 551 reviews. So head over to Wealthy Affiliate and also check out, you can research further on how the process of signing up is. So as I continually say, first, before you sign up to a new website, make sure that you do your research around it. Now the next website is Current Rewards. Next website is Current Rewards. So Current Rewards is another website that helps you earn money while listening to music, playing video games, and viewing YouTube. So you head over to Current Rewards, you share your opinions, you complete microtasks and earn rewards. So the app is also on App Store if you want the mobile version. And as you can see, start earning. Now I have some frequently asked questions. How do I earn? What are the current perks? So for more inquiries, please head over to the website and check it out further. Now, that on the list is Amazon KDP. So in this website, you can publish and sell your books in digital and print formats on Amazon. All you have to do is create a KDP book and you can sell it in Amazon for free. So just head over to Amazon and you can see some of the books being sold here for $14.99. This is book called Dark Angel, etc. I know you got the point. So Amazon KDP is also another website that can help you earn money online. Now for the fourth website, we have Moblog. Now Moblog is a trusted online survey website to make money online for free. So you take surveys and you at Moblog you can actively participate in market research, give your opinion, and earn money by taking in online and mobile surveys. On average, between $0.50 and $3 is credited per completed survey. So how it works is you register and complete your profile, take part in surveys on interesting topics, have fun, and get paid for your opinion. So we will credit the money you earn in survey to your member account. You can redeem it hassle free via PayPal. So you can get paid via PayPal, Skrill, and EcoMatch. That is all for Moblog. Now the fifth website is Idle Empire. Now in Idle Empire you earn free skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrencies. So all you have to do is sign up. There is no extra registration needed. You can immediately sign up to their platform with your already existing Steam account. They support authentication through Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. You earn points and you can exchange the points for skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrencies. They also support different markets, which allows you to withdraw skins for several popular games. So you can see also PayPal is supported here. Some of the games, Fortnite, Coinbase, etc. Head over to Idle Empire and check it out for more. Now the sixth website is Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular freelancing website that connects buyers and sellers. So if you are a freelancer, or if you have a skill, like for example graphic designing, web developing, etc., you can head over to Fiverr, sign up, create your profile so that people will know how to find you, and then you get clients and you can start earning money. So some of the services include talents, AI arts. We also have logo designing, creating website with WordPress, etc., etc. Now let's just head over to the seventh website, which is impact.com. Now impact.com, you get to advertise a huge variety of brands and businesses. So if you have a business, or if you have something of your own branding, you can advertise it here on impact.com. So as you can see, Impact is more than just affiliating market. You diversify your partner mix to drive new revenue now. So if you want to be a brand or a partner, you can create it either here or here for absolutely free. Now, 8th on the list is Skillshare. Now, in Skillshare, you get to contribute your skills on the platform and get paid. An example of skills is tutoring. You get to teach people. If, for example, you are skilled in a certain field, you can contribute your skills and get paid for it. So head over to Skillshare. You go to their page, to careers, and then you will find open positions. If you can see, want to be part of a team that believes in creative expression, true work, life balance, and making an impact, explore what's possible at Skillshare. So you can apply for a position. Now, 9th on the list is Rumble. So Rumble is pretty much like YouTube, except it is one of the best apps to make money by uploading videos. So you will get paid by uploading videos on Rumble. Now that is all for today. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. Thank you.